Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail and locating subscription messages. This is where the work lives. Use the search terms unsubscribe or subscription to surface likely emails and scan senders quickly to decide which to remove. Once done, star or apply a label to messages you plan to handle in this session. This saves time and prevents accidental removals. Make sure to stay in the same account. Switching accounts can cause confusion, so confirm the account name at the top before proceeding. You open each labeled message and look for the in-message unsubscribe link. Many services include a clear option. If Gmail shows an unsubscribe banner at the top, use it for a faster experience. Click through and confirm. When unsubscribe fails or spam persists, block the sender or report as spam to stop new mail. Once you've tested a few, create a filter. Match the sender or keywords and choose Delete or Skip Inbox so future messages bypass your main view, saving ongoing effort. You finish by removing or archiving the messages you unsubscribed from so inbox clutter is gone. Make sure to check promotions and updates tabs over the next 7 to 14 days. Many services take time to stop sending. If subscriptions persist, recreate a stricter filter, block the sender, or report the mail as spam to force delivery stops. One tip: if a newsletter lacks a clear unsubscribe, reply with unsubscribe only, or use the block/report combination to ensure it ceases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.